Finch App Review 2025 Pros and Cons Honest and Unbiased. You won't believe how micro-investing apps have advanced in 2025. Finch promises to make investing simple, fun, and accessible, but is it right for you? The surprising truth is approachability. Most people get this wrong by assuming investing requires large sums or complex knowledge. Finch allows users to invest small amounts, round up purchases, and automate contributions to build a portfolio gradually. Another advantage is gamification. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app uses challenges, streaks, and visual progress to keep users engaged. This makes investing less intimidating for beginners and encourages consistent saving habits. Finch also offers educational content and themed portfolios, helping users learn about investing while putting money to work in diversified assets. Integration with banking accounts ensures seamless transfers and tracking. However, there are cons. Investment returns are subject to market risk, and small contributions may grow slowly. Premium features require subscription fees, and users seeking advanced trading tools may find Finch limited. In conclusion, Finch in 2025 is ideal for beginners or casual investors who want to grow their money with minimal effort. While growth may be gradual and advanced features are limited, the accessibility, gamified experience, and educational tools make Finch a strong choice for anyone starting their investing journey.